Hello children, welcome to Max class. How are you all children? I think you all are fine. Children, today block 7 introduction to subtraction, lesson number 3 subtraction sentences. Yes children, what we have learned in subtraction children till now, we have learned the signs. Yes, sign we use for subtraction. What are the sign we use in subtraction children? Minus. This sign is called minus. And is equal to. Okay, this is equal to sign. Okay children? Yes children, 7 minus 2 is equal to how much? So first, what is the number children? 7. So we have to draw 7 things first. Okay children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then what we have to do? We have to take away 2. We have to remove 2. We have to subtract 2. We have to cross out 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. First, how much the number was? How many balls were there? 7 minus 2. We remove 2. Now how many are left? 5. Okay children? Children, listen to me very carefully children. This is very important. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. We have 3 flowers. Yes children, how many flowers we are having? 3 flowers. Now, how many flowers is having B on it children? If you see here small insect B, this is B. If you see how many flowers is having B, all the 3 flowers is having B? No. On this flower you can see the B? Yes. 1. On this flower you can see the B? 2. On this flower you can see the B? No. B is not on this flower. So how many flowers is having B? So 2 flowers. On 2 flower B is there. Okay. Bees are there. Okay. This is honey bee. Okay children. 2 on 2 flowers bees are there. How many flower B is not there? 1 flower B is not there. Fine. B is not there. Here we are not removing, we are not crossing out the thing. Just we are looking at the picture and we are writing. Okay children. So 3 flowers are there. On 2 bees are there. And on 1 flower B is not there. So how the subtraction sentence will be? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay children, we are not taking away. We are telling here on how many flowers bees are there. Fine, this one you understood children, clear? Children, today we will learn story problem also children. Write a story problem for 4 minus 2. In addition, how we have children story sums? Yes, in that way only we have a story problem in subtraction. So how we have to write a story for 4 minus 2? We have to write like this. I have 4 balloons. 2 balloons burst. Okay, so 4 balloons, 2 burst. So we have to remove 2, we have to cross out 2. So how many are left? 2 balloons are left. Okay, 2 balloons left. In this way you have to do children, and one more story problem will be given to you where nothing is taken away. Where nothing is taken away. So you have to write the story for that also. In workbook I will show you how to write. Okay children? Yes children, now all of you all take out your readers, page number 52 children. Let us read here. Subtraction sentences. Sometimes we subtract to find a part. Example, there are 5 apples. 4 are green. How many are red? Yes children, in this way also we will do the subtraction. Okay, so how many apples they have given? 5 apples. How many are in green color? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 apples minus 4 green apples is equal to how many apples are left? When we remove all the green apples, so only 1 red apple left. Okay children? Then second example, there are 6 buttons. 4 are red. How many are blue? Yes, now they have given us 6 buttons here children. So what they are telling? 4 buttons are red. Okay, 4 buttons are red. So how many are blue buttons. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 buttons, 4 are red. So how many are left? 2 blue buttons are left. So 6 buttons minus 4 red buttons is equal to 2 blue buttons. Okay, children? Children, all of you all take out your maths workbook, children. Okay, page number 40. Write the date, children. Yes, S3 subtraction sentences. First bit, subtract. A bit is done for us. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dash flowers in all. So 4 we have to write. 4 flowers in all. Okay, and then dash flowers have bees. Children, if you see here carefully, on this flower bee is there, children. 1, on this flower also it is there. 2, on this flower also it is there. This flower it is not there. So how many flowers have bees? 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers have bees, and one is not having, does not have bees. So here we have to write one flower does not have bee. Okay, children, like that we have to write. Now B bit. So first let us count the flowers in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers in all. Okay, and then dash flowers have bees. So how many flowers are having bees? We have to count and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers have bees. Dash flowers do not have bees. So 2 flowers are not having bees. So let us write 2 here. C bit. Dash books in all. 1, 2, 3. So 3 books in all. Dash books have names. If you see carefully, here all the 3 books are having names. So let us write 3 books have names. Dash book does not have names. Any of the book is not having name? No, all the books are having name. So what will come here? Nothing. Nothing means, children, 0 will come here. 0 books does not have names. Okay, children, this is also a kind of subtraction, children, where nothing is removed. Children, come to the second bit. Make your own pictures. Okay, children, 6 flowers in all. So I have drawn here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children, 6 flowers. Then 2 flowers have beans. So what we have to do? How many are having bees on it? So 2. So take a different color pencil and draw the bee. Like this you can draw, children. Okay. Okay, bee. 2 flowers are having bees on it. Okay. So 2. How dash flowers do not have bees. Now how many are do not have bees? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us write 4 here. Okay, children. First with pencil you have to draw 6 flowers. Then with red color pencil or any other color pencil, draw bees on how many flowers? 2 flowers. Okay. Now let us see the third bit, children. Write a subtraction story problem where nothing is taken away. Okay, children. Where we have to write a subtraction story problem where nothing is taken away. So we can write like this also. I have 3 books. 3 books have names. How many books does not have names? This problem is like how they have given us. We can write this story, this problem as story problem here. Okay, or else you can write any other story problem also. Fine, children, let us write like this. I have 3, 4, 5, anything you can write numbers. I have 3 books. 3 have covers. Covers. 3 have covers. Okay. So how many do not have covers? Covers. Covers. This is called story problem where nothing is taken away. See, I have 3 books. I am having 3 books. All the 3 books are covered. Okay, all the books are having cover. How many books do not have covers? 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 books are there, 3 books are covered. Nothing is taken away. No, nothing is taken away. So how many books do not have covers? Like that we have to create a story problem like this. Okay, you can write like this also. I have 5 balloons. 5 balloons, none of them burst. How many are left? Like that also you can write a story problem where nothing is taken away, children. Okay, write neatly your workbook. Yes, children, now I am giving you classwork, children. Already we have finished 2 sums. Now today I am going to give you a story problem. See, children, like this neatly you have to do in your book. Write a story problem for 7 minus 3. So answer, I have 7 balloons. 3 balloons burst. How many balloons are left? So you have to draw the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how many burst you have to remove? You have to take away. 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is our answer. 4 balloons are left. Story problem. Whenever you will get a story problem like this, in addition also it is there, in subtraction also. Okay, so you have to create a story like this. Okay, children, you practice this twice, children, you will get this. Okay, after writing, read it twice. Fine, children. So this is a story problem. Write neatly in your classwork books. Once again I'll read for you. Write a story problem for 7 minus 3. Answer, I have 7 balloons. 3 balloons burst. How many balloons are left? So you have to draw the picture. Then you have to cut off how many they have given in the question. And then how many are left you have to write. 4 balloons are left. If you don't have place here, children, turn the page and write in the next page also. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now open page number 54 in your reader. Okay, children. First one, second one, third one. 3 questions are homework for you. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3 are homework for you. Your place is there, you can write here. If not, you can do this homework in your rough book also. Okay, so we have completed LP3 only, no, children. That's why I am giving you 3 problems only. This after explaining I will give you. Now let us come to page number 55, children. In page number 55, okay, 55, additional practice is there, no? There you have to do set 1, set 2, set 3, children. Okay, because we have completed 3 lessons only. So set 1, set 2, set 3. All this you have to do as homework. If place is here sufficient for you, you can do here. If not, do it in your rough book, children. Okay, practice subtraction, learn subtraction. Okay, now homework has given to you, no? Learn that. Do practice. If you keep on doing the sums in your rough book, if you practice, then you will be perfect in your subtraction block. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Take care. Meet you in the next class.